Ever spend hours checking Google Alerts, only to end up with a messy inbox, doesn't open tabs, and zero useful insights?
Oh no!
What if I told you you could automate all of that in just 5 minutes?
Nice!
Ever had that wasted hours feeling when trying to keep up with industry news where Google Alerts? You set them up excited typing in keywords like AI, digital marketing, thinking this will be easy, but wow, does it backfire? You hop into your inbox, it's flooded with alerts. Click one, like paid advertising, and up to 10 articles pop up. Just spot one that looks useful, maybe this one, but then you remember another alert. So hit back, like digital marketing, and click the article you are probably interested in. Then next one, back to your inbox again. Oh, come on. What's going on? Alright, we're back to inbox. Email marketing, this one. So just like what I did, you can't recall the first article, can you? So total mind blank. Privacy, I don't really like to set up the privacy issue. So 10 minutes of flipping tabs, waiting for that spinning circle, scrolling past useless stuff to grab one good point. Then poof, it's gone. By day's end, 2 hours spent, and your notes have 2 to 3 messy bullet points, half meaningless. Someone asks, heard anything new? You stumble over words cause you got nothing. Isn't that the worst? Trying so hard to stay in the loop, but just spinning your wheels. So, how can we get a more accurate and controllable flow of information? I decided to find a more straightforward method, which is why my automated system is built on RSS feeds. Unlike general tools that depending on keyword tracking, RSS has some clear strengths. First, you get to zero in on sources you actually trust. This means you can skip those broad computer-generated suggestions and go straight to the experts and websites you know are credible. You have complete control over what you see. Second, it gives you better information right from the start. Because the content comes directly from websites you have handpicked, it avoids the confusion that often comes with keyword searches. This means everything you get is meaningful and useful for your work right out of the gate. Third, the technology is made for automation. RSS is a uniform data format that program can read perfectly, which makes it very stable and efficient. This keeps our automated workflow running smoothly and reliably, with very little need for fixing or upkeep. In short, RSS gives you a clean, dependable stream of data, exactly what you need to create a truly efficient automated system. Later, I couldn't stand it anymore and built my own automated workflow. I use Telegram to send mobile notifications and Notion to store data. Can you believe it? What used to take 2 hours now gets done in 5 minutes.
Isn't it great to use the same time to drink coffee or work on proposals? I can not only catch the latest industry updates in real time, but also have knowledge points. No more struggling with fragmented information. It's simply a lifesaver for office workers.
The first step is super easy. Let's start with Python. Just go to the Python official website and click the Downloads menu. Don't worry about downloading the wrong version. I will show you how to check. For Windows, select the Windows, and for Mac, just choose Mac OS. Just one click to start the download. After installation, open command prompt cmd and type Python python --version. See? If the version number appears, it means it's successful. Isn't that simple? No need to memorize the command. Just copy and paste it. Again, visit its official website and select the installation package based on your operating system. This editor is free and easy to use. You will rely on it for creating code from now on. Installation. Double-click the code icon, and our operation base is all set up. Wasn't that hassle-free? First, let's create a folder to store our files. Just copy this command I provide. No need to memorize the path, just paste it. We will put our scripts here. You can rename the folder if you want, as long as it's easy for you to find. In the directory you just created, add a text file named requirements and open it. Paste the following content into it. Now let's set up a virtual environment. Copy this command into CMD and run it. Do you know why we need a virtual environment? It's to prevent conflicts with other Python projects over resources. This project will have its own independent space, keeping everything clean. After running it, so copy this command to activate the environment. Then you will see a new RSS_env folder. In your directory, you don't need to worry about the include folder. The lab folder stores libraries, and the script folder is the key. From now on, we will rely on the files in scripts to start the environment and install things. No need to memorize this either, just follow my steps. Finally, install dependencies. Use this command. Just copy and paste here. Once the installation is done, our environment will be fully set up and we can start practical operations next. Isn't that quick? First, let's fetch RSS news. Copy this prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste this prompt and run it. There is no need to figure out how to write the code, just ask AI for it. And copy this code, open VS Code, create a new file, text file, paste this code, and save as _fetch.py, just save it. And then click CMD. Run this command. Here we go. See? The titles and the links are displayed. Success! Wasn't that easy? Here's a great trick to find RSS feed. Just visit Google website and under these keywords like top 100 technology RSS feeds and search, and you will see a list of RSS feeds, and just click one. Top 100 technology RSS feeds, and just pick the ones that you are interested in and copy this link into Excel or Google Sheets. And also you can search from here based on your own field, like my field, digital marketing, DIGITALMARKETING, and search. You will find like 35 digital marketing RSS feeds, so 100 digital marketing agency RSS feeds, and choose the one that you're interested in. For example, 35 digital marketing RSS feeds. I click this one, and I will find a list of RSS feeds regarding my field. So I can copy one that I very interested in, just copy the link and paste into here. So no need to search from scratch again if you have this Excel or Google Sheets. So that's it. Next, let's set up AI summarization. With this step, you won't have to read long articles from start to finish anymore. You can even watch half an episode of a show with the time you save. To get started, log into aistudio.google.com, this website. Click get API key, then create API key, and name your key. For example, demo AI summary, and create project. Demo AI summary, create project. Let's create key. So Gemini offers a generous number of free daily API calls per account and per project, so don't hold back, use it. Just like we created here, demo AI summary. So we have the key already, and we can copy API key here. That's how the API key look like. So if you run out, just don't worry, there are ways to extend it. You can create a new project like what we have done previously. Create API key again, and name your key, and create new project. So by this way, we can create a new API key. So if you want higher or more stable limits and unlimited access, you can enable cloud billing, set up billing by clicking here for the project to upgrade to the paid tier directly. Copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT and paste this command here. Right. So ChatGPT is generating the Python script named demo_AI_summary.py. As you have seen from here. Okay, here we go. So we can copy the code and open Visual Studio Code. Just create new file, text file, and paste this code here. Then save it. Save the name as demo AI summary, and choose Python. Just save it, and then go to CMD. You know how we get to virtual environment. If you forgot, just go back to my previous chapter to watch the video again, so you will know how it went. Copy this command and paste it. Right. See, the summary is generated, and it even shows the character count. Isn't that convenient? When asking AI for code, add requirements like structured output, it tells the model how to format its answer, for example, numbered points or sections. Priority to key data, it guides the model to focus on important facts instead of filtered text. Extract each paragraph's main idea first. It forces the model to analyze deeply before summarizing, improving factual coverage and coherence. And finally, keep it concise. It ensures the model compresses ideas effectively without drifting off topic. So by doing this, your summary captures more nuance and accuracy than a simple summarize this request. Let's store our data in Notion. Log into Notion, notion.so, this website. Create a new workspace, and once you created, just click here, create a new page, and select database. Empty database, title, and add another property, link, link, and choose URL. Add property, summary, summary, choose text, and name this database like RSS to Notion. And once you created this database, so the next step is to get the ID, database ID, how to get a database ID, click here, copy link, and paste here. You will find the database ID before the question mark, starting from 2 to E. So this is the database ID. Just copy it and paste it into the file that you may use later. For integrations, click here, connections, develop integration, click it. Now what we got to do is to create a new integration by clicking here, new integration, and give the integration a name. For example, RSS to Notion, and choose the associated workspace, save it. The integration successfully created. So here you will find the internal integration secret. Click show. That's your integration key. Just copy it. And just like what we have done for database ID, and you have to save this integration key into somewhere that we can use it later. Copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT, paste it, run it. So the ChatGPT will help you to generate demo notion.py. And once it's done, you can just copy this code first and go to VS Code, create a new file, click text file, paste the code here, and change Notion token and as well as database ID on your own, and then save this file, demo Notion, just save it. And the next, go to CMD. Again, if you forgot how to enter this virtual environment, just go back to check my previous chapter and you will figure it out how we get here. So copy this command and run it. You see, 3 new entries appear in Notion. Success! Isn't that intuitive? You can expand your Notion database by adding fields like Insights, Article 1, Article 2, Article 3, and date, status. This helps you organize and track your content more effectively. For example, you can store key takeaways, link multiple articles, track dates, and update their status like new or read, all in one place. And if you need to manage insights across multiple industries, you can create separate database by clicking here, duplicate with content or without content. So once your main database is ready, you can simply duplicate it to build the new one, making content organization and data management super easy and consistent. The final step is setting up push notifications. Now you can receive updates on your phone. No need to sit by the computer waiting for news. You can even read updates while lying on the sofa. How great is that? First, go to the official website, telegram.org. Then choose one that matches your device. Since I'm using Windows, I click this link and click Get Telegram for Windows times 64 to start the installation. Once you install Telegram, you can just open it and search for @father. Send this message to him and name your bot, just like my news demo bot, for example. And if your username is taken, just choose another one. So don't panic. Just pick a different name, like adding a number. It's very simple. So Father will send you an API token. Just save it carefully. Then search for and user info bot to get your own chat ID, like 7428, something like that. Once you have Telegram bot token and chat ID on your hand, so the next step for you is to go to chatgpt.com and enter this prompt. Run it. So here is a simple Python script that sends a text message where your Telegram bot and prints the response. And copy the code and go to Visual Studio Code, start new file, and paste the code that you got. And don't forget to replace the text with your own bot token and your chat ID. Okay, save as the Python, choose Python, and the file name like demo telegram, then save it. And then go to your CMD. If you forgot how to enter the virtual environment that we created in previous chapter, just go back and watch the video again. So here, the command, you can copy this command, Python demo telegram.py, and run it. Here you will see Telegram message sent, and you can check here. That means we are successful. Here, add emoji and text to messages. For example, phone for technology, idea for marketing, to make them clearer. Don't send messages too frequently to avoid spamming. And you can create a group by clicking here, choose new group, and name your group. And once you have created a group, you can add your bot to your group and also your colleagues. Now, let's combine all the functions into one click to complete the entire workflow. This is where the magic happens. From now on, no need to click step by step, just run one script. Tell ChatGPT this paragraph and run it. ChatGPT just help you to generate all the scripts. And once it's done, what you gotta do is just copy the code and open Visual Studio Code, start a new file, and paste the code. Don't forget one thing, that is, you have to replace all configuration files like Gemini API key, Notion token, Notion database ID, Telegram bot token, as well as Telegram chat ID with your own. And then save the file as demo bin and save it. Then go to CMD and run this command. Just copy it here and run it. No. I forgot one thing. Did you guys remember what I forgot? Yeah, exactly. You have to go to the right directory first and then create virtual environment, then activate. Copy this command and run it. Oh, we got a message on Telegram. Oh, again, second message, or third one. Oh, it's done. So we can check. Here are 3 articles just came from theverge.com, and here are the 3 articles pushed on your Telegram. That's it. That's how the entire script worked. Your automated info system is now running smoothly, just 1 minute a day, and you're getting the latest industry news straight to your phone with AI summaries saved automatically. But guess what? This is only the beginning. Think of it like this. You've got a car that runs. Now, let's turn it into your own smart cockpit. Each of these simple upgrades can seriously double your efficiency. Build a smart info dashboard in Notion, organize by topic and priority. Add auto tags and see all your industry trends at a glance. Make decisions based on data, not guesswork. Turn it into a team knowledge hub. Let your colleagues share and follow sources too. No more double work. Perfect for remote teams staying in sync. Make it smarter with AI. It learns what you like and starts suggesting what you need to read next. It doesn't just push info, it anticipates it. Get the weekly industry digest, auto-generated and sent every day. Just stay updated without the daily noise. Great for reporting or content ideas. Go beyond articles. Pour in podcasts, YouTube recaps, even newsletters. One system, all your content. Never miss a thing. So, which of these next level workflows excites you most? A second brain that writes for you? A job radar that finds dream jobs on autopilot? Or an AI health coach that keeps you on track? Or maybe you've got a cooler idea, like auto-following creators, grabbing limited drops, or managing your game account effortlessly. Let your imagination go wild. Your idea could be our next video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.